Let's make a biscuit, but a different biscuit. A cheddar biscuit. The same biscuit ingredients you would normally use. Flour, baking soda, powder, salt, sugar, butter, buttermilk, but a little cheddar cheese and chives. Take a bowl, and you can use bread flour or all-purpose flour. Add 2 cups. To that, add a teaspoon of sugar, a teaspoon baking soda, 2 teaspoons baking powder, a half a teaspoon salt, stir to mix. 1 cup of buttermilk, add a half a cup melted butter. To the flour mixture, add 1½ cup shredded cheddar cheese. Stir a bit to coat the cheese, and add 1/4 cup chives. And add your butter, milk, and butter mixture. Stir to combine, and turn out onto your bench or your countertop with a little more flour. The key to a good biscuit is not over kneading it, or it will become tough and it won't be flaky. So minimally kneading this until it's not sticky and you're able to form about a 2-inch high circle. Line your baking sheet with parchment. Cut out your biscuits with a biscuit cutter or a glass. Place in a 425-degree oven for 10 to 15 minutes or until lightly browned. When you remove them, they'll smell amazing. We're going to add a little melted butter to the tops, and this is a delight. Steamy, flaky, tender, fantastic. Give these a try. They're great.